Carrots are crunchy, orange and bright. They help our eyes see in the night. Broccoli looks like a little green tree, full of vitamins for you and me. Corn is yellow, tasty and sweet, a healthy snack that can't be beat. Tomatoes, juicy, red and round, in salads or soups they can be found. Peppers come in colors so bold, green, red, yellow, a rainbow to hold. Eggplants purple, smooth and cool, cook them up, they're really fuel. Spinach is leafy, fresh and strong, it makes you big and helps you along. Potatoes baked or mashed just right, give you energy day and night. Help us grow up tall, eat them daily, one and all. Carrots are crunchy, orange and bright. They help our eyes see in the night. The broccoli looks like a little green tree, full of vitamins for you and me. Corn is yellow, tasty and sweet, a healthy snack that can't be beat. Tomatoes, juicy, red and round, in salads or soups they can be found. Potatoes baked or mashed just right, give you energy day and night. Help us grow up tall, eat them daily, one and all.
Come along, it's time to go through the jungle, wild we'll roam. 10 cool animals, big and small. Sing along and meet them all.
I'm a lion, big and strong, with a mighty roaring song. I live in groups called a pride. Watch me run, let's take a ride.
Hairy lion's horn.
I'm an elephant, large and round, with big ears that flap around. I use my trunk to grab and spray, splashing water every day.
I'm a giraffe, so very tall, with a long neck to reach it all. I eat green leaves from the trees, munching high up in the breeze.
Giraffes munch, crunch, creak. I'm a cheetah, super fast, run so quick you'll see me last. I can sprint like the wind, catching prey before they spin. Cheetah zoom zoom. I'm a zebra, black and white, stripes make me a pretty sight. No two zebras look the same, that's our nature, what a game. Zebras may be part. I'm a crocodile, I like to hide, waiting by the river's side, with my jaws so strong and wide. Snap, snap, I open wide, 'cause I don't spin the zips.
I'm a rhino, big and tough, with thick skin so strong and rough. I have a horn on my nose, charging fast, here I go.
Rhinos down, boom, boom. I'm a parrot, bright and loud, with feathers that make me proud. I can mimic what you say, hello, hello, every day. I'm a chorus calls balls rack.
I'm a monkey, I love to swing, jumping high on everything. I eat bananas, love to play, swinging through the trees all day.
I'm a sloth, I move so slow, hanging from the trees below. Sleeping lots is what I do, nice and calm, just like you. Swoof,
I'm a sloth, I move so slow, hanging from the trees below.
Sleeping lots is what I do, nice and calm, just like you. What a wild adventure, let's go back.
Quacky the duck woke up at dawn, stretching his wings with a happy yawn. He wiggled his tail, gave a big quack, then waddled outside with a snack in his pack. The sun was shining, the sky so blue, the breeze was gentle, the flowers grew. Quacky looked left, then Quacky looked right. Time for adventure, oh what a sight! He ran to the pond and jumped right in, making big splashes with a happy grin. Splish, splash, paddle and play, I love the water every day. A froggy popped up with a croaky sound. Hey there, Quacky, let's jump around. They leaped and splashed, making waves so high, laughing and playing beneath the sky. Then came the geese with the honk and a flap. Let's have a race, no time for a nap. Quacky was fast, but the geese were too. They swam in circles, then raced straight through. Under a tree, a squirrel did munch on a big red apple for his lunch. Want a bite? The squirrel said, but Quacky just shook his head. Raindrops fell, pitter-patter, flop, but Quacky just danced and didn't stop. Waddle and wiggle, jump up high, let's splash in puddles, don't be shy. When the sun set and the stars came bright, Quacky yawned, it was late at night. He snuggled up in his nest so deep and closed his eyes to dream and sleep. So if you hear a quack at play, know that Quacky's had a fun-filled day.